Alright, so I'm back for episode 23. Got the augers home in the last episode. I don't have any money to really do this. So, anyway, got all this set up. I got all this planted. Field 6 might be a little late, but I don't really care on how late it gets, just as long as it's alright. What I need to do is I'm gonna have to look for some different trailers. Yeah. Yeah, soon we'll be getting semis and crap. Which I gotta figure out how much each of these wagons are. We'll see. We'll see about buying ourselves a grain truck and crap. But otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep, and then it'll probably start snowing. So now it's December out. Alright. Currently it's not possible. They haven't inched upwards since last time, so it'll be a while before we get done, or it'll be a while before we start. I got a lot of stuff packed in here. I have this in here. I got the high-speed tiller. Got the planter in here. And then I got the bean head in here, which I have no idea how I did it. And I don't think, no, there's nothing in the bins. So that kind of sucks. That kind of sucks bunghole for a while. But this soybean harvest, it won't be the 1586, it'll be the 7488 and the 7810 helping out with harvest. So Yeah, these two tractors right here will be pulling wagons this time. So, yeah. Then of course, then I'll get this tractor back out again. And then I'll have to go down to the shop, grab the rock picker with the 1586 and get that done. In which I could get a semi-trailer and a grain truck, but I just don't have the money to spend for it right now, so. Beans inched up a little bit. Good, 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 good. Perfect, perfect. Just perfect. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna check the soybeans here. Soybeans over here look fine. It's just this one patch where they didn't get, you know, planted because of the combine, or because of the planter that did it, so the seeder that did it, so there probably won't be, so I'll have to bring like one more wagon out just so that way I can haul that crap off. But yeah, here's the corn head, only a 8-row corn head, so yeah. But will I ever hook all 4 of these wagons together to make one long train? Maybe, maybe not. If I did, I'd use the 7488. Heck with getting the big monster out for just 4 measly wagons. So yeah, and this tractor's gonna be our planting tractor. That tractor will be my planting tractor, a rock picking tractor, grain hauling tractor part-time, and then of course stock chopping tractor, wagon hauling, and that's about it. Planting, well, seeding tractor, and also part-time wagon hauling tractor. And then this is the main tillage tractor, which is the 8960. Which I'll see if I want it to go on the big seeder, which is this one right here. I'll see if I want to put it on. I want to put that on this, but otherwise the 7488 will continue with this. 10% damage. Only 6. But I'd have to get that fixed. It would be damaged completely by the time I got done with it. I'm just gonna move it along fast enough so that way These will probably be February beans, if I'm not mistaken. They might be. And it's snowing. Ah, great. Come on. Shut that door. We know snow gets in. I'll have to go back through it again. Jeez. All I want to do is get to the combining action. With beans not getting any taller off the go back through it again. Jeez, frosty grass. Holy. There we go. Frost melted off. Come on. Turn already. It's gonna be a whole nother day. And these beans don't turn. Come on. I know you beans want the turn. Turn already. Ah. I know planting ain't perfect. So. Does it look like I care? No. Not in the slightest. Still nothing. Go back in the house. Sleep it off another day. You know what? I don't like that too much. I don't really like doing this. I'm gonna sleep, and then harvest, then get all the other work again. May beans? Maybe. Is it gonna happen? Come on. I know there's gonna be a chance where it's gonna work. Come on. Nabbit. I'll see you guys in the next one.